For journalism students everywhere, COVID-19 restrictions have hit hard, even if they are the ones capturing the pandemic as it happens. The journalism students of P&G High School have been forced to keep their annual summer camp at their school, keeping them away from different opportunities.
Going into yearbook camp for my first time this year as a junior going into senior year, I was really excited, but I was kind of sad that it wasn't in Austin this year. To grow close with my staff and start this process together has been really rewarding.
The time spent together as a yearbook and journalism staff have helped their bond grow for a successful year ahead.
With the virtual thing, I'm going from class to class, from student group to student group to be sure they're doing okay, to be sure things are going all right, that they're understanding the stuff, that everything's okay in communication with their instructor. But that's one other thing I wish that they also had, was the other students there with them to sort of, because when an instructor's talking, you can nudge the kid from another school next to you and say, I didn't get that, what was that about? And sort of change ideas that way. Or work together, or look over someone else's shoulder and say, I like the way that theme's coming out, or I like the way that project's going, or hey, I like what you did with that shot,
These struggles of the pandemic will only continue to grow the future leaders of journalism.
Meetings together, and we can be with each other and share the ideas in one spot.